you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a cleaning video on my stove. So this is how it looked before. You can see all the marks around the white lining, and that's just built up grease and everything. So this is the before picture, and this is the after. I scraped off as much of the built up grease that I could. So this is how I did it. So first, I am starting out with baking soda, and I'm going to be pouring this all over the stove top, and I'm just going to give it a good coating, and then from there I'm adding peroxide to the top of the stove. And if you notice behind, I did already add Dawn. I don't know why I didn't record that. I added a little bit of Dawn detergent just to break up the grease. And I got this from a Pinterest post, so I wanted to see if it would work. So that's why I'm trying it today. And now I'm just mixing it in with my hands just to make sure that everything is blended together. And I let it sit there for about maybe 15 minutes. Now I'm taking this sponge, or not sponge, the scrubber from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna scrub everything that I can, try to get that baked on grease off. So I'm just gonna scrub until I feel that it's good. Next, I am taking a razor blade, and this one is bendable, so it's very flimsy, and it's got the blade on both ends. That's why I have this towel wrapped around the top edge, just so I don't cut myself. So anyway, I am using this blade to scrape off the baked on grease that is along the white trimming. And I'm going to continue to do this until I feel that everything has been scraped off as much as it can be. Now that I've scraped off everything from the stove, I'm going to use the same towel just to wipe everything off, and then I'll continue cleaning it from there. Now I'm going to be using this Cooktop Daily Cleaner. I believe we got this from Walmart, and I'm just going to continue to spray the stove top, and wipe it down with paper towels. So I think I did this a couple of times just to ensure that all the grease and the baking soda and everything was off. So that's what I'm doing now, and then I'm going to follow up with another top coat, which is this one right here, and I believe this one is more of like a shine wax type of thing. So I'm using that with a little bit of water, and I'm just massaging it into the stovetop with a clean sponge. This is the finished product. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.